I do the work while you get to keep all the commissions. Let me repeat that, okay, just in case you didn't catch that. I do the work and you get to collect all the commissions. That sentence that I just said is becoming more and more and more popular with this brand new system where I actually do the work while you get to keep all the commissions. Now, let me show you what I'm talking about. Here's a member over here by the name of Garry that just posted this yesterday. And he said, wow, I just checked my Stripe account and saw that I've generated over $2,000 today. And it's not even 2 p.m. here. Let me actually highlight this just for the purposes of making sure we don't miss anything. So check this out. Here's what he got: $2,125, and it's not even 2 p.m. his time. So he was probably like enjoying the middle of the day, maybe right after lunch or something like that. And he checks his phone, and there's already $2,125 in there. And now, if you're wondering, how does this work? Like, David, this sounds amazing. You do the work, I get to keep all the commissions. Yes, actually, that's exactly how it works. But if you're wondering, okay, so how does this work exactly? So first thing you want to do is actually click the link that's just below the video. But the next thing is he actually reveals the secret right here. It says, all I do is send visitors to my link, and it does all the rest for me. He's talking about the system that you see actually just below this video. So how does it work? Well, I want to actually show you exactly how it works. So what you want to do is click the link that you see just below this video, because it's going to take you to, and eventually you're going to end up on a page that has like a webinar on it. That webinar is going to show you exactly how this works. It's actually going to show you three things. Number one, how does it work? What programs we're promoting and all that kind of stuff. How do you get to keep 100% commissions and all that? The second thing it's going to show you is how do you get set up? Because I'm sure you've had the experience where you sign up to like a program or something, and then 3 months later you haven't even gotten started yet. And that kind of sucks, because if you're plugged into something powerful, you want to get it going as soon as possible. So on the webinar itself, I actually show you how to get set up. And the third thing as I show you is what he says right here. He says, all I do is send visitors. So you're wondering right now, David, I signed up to programs before, but I don't know how to get visitors to my link. Well, don't worry, I got you covered there too, because on the webinar, I actually show you how to get as many visitors as you would want to your link. So pretty simple stuff. Now let's keep going here because I have so many more to show you. So I'm going to scroll right up to the top. And this is actually the Facebook group that it comes as part of the system. And by the way, if you're wondering how much of that $2,125 Garrett got to keep, he got to keep the whole thing. He got to keep all of it, simply because I don't charge for you to use the system. I don't charge for doing the work on your behalf. I don't charge for sending out the emails on your behalf and all that stuff. So now the next question that you should have in your mind, if I were you and I heard somebody say, hey, I do the work while you get to keep all the commissions, you get to make all the commissions, you get to collect all the commissions, I would personally want to know, first thing that would happen is my eyebrow would raise really high, because I would want to know that, hey, if you're saying that, show me that it works for multiple people, not just one person. Because it's one thing if it's only working for one person, example, myself or one other person. But check this out. Here's a member by the name of Peggy that 12 hours ago she posted, Vertex, my first easy one upsell this afternoon through Profits Passport, which is this system. She says the gates are open and I'm ready for the flood. Keep on working for all the rest for me, David. And check this out. She got to get a $250 payment, as you can see right there. So she got plugged in sometime in the past. Now, I don't know Peggy. I've never met her. We've never hung out at an event or something like that. All I know is that she sometime in the past either clicked the link in an email or went to see a video or something. And somehow she got exposed to my system where I said, hey, I do the work. You get to keep whatever commissions come in. You get to collect all of them. And she just scored a $250 payment. Who did the work? I did the work. Who got to keep the commission? She got to keep the commission. Now let's do a quick kind of math over here. Let me just open up a calculator. Let me see if I can get this thing on the screen here. Just give me a second. Here we go. So if we multiply $250 times 30, so assuming that Nothing else goes up, nothing else goes down, and she continues hitting the same amount every single day. That is a $7,500 per month business. $7,500 per month. I mean, if you think about it, that's top tier right there. That's more than a lot of people make in the regular jobs. But anyways, let's keep going because I want to show you a bunch more. Here's another member by the name of Jeff. And Jeff has been, we have all completely lost count of how many commissions Jeff has already made with the system. And here's what he posted just 13 hours ago, as you can see right there. $2,300 for the day. And look at what he says next. He says, this funnel, which is this system, works just like an ATM. Cha-ching. Which is kind of funny. Here's a $2,000 payment, and here are 3 more payments, probably of $100 each. And if you add that all up, that's $2,300. Now let's do some math again. How much is $2,300 if you multiply that by 30? And he had much bigger days than this, by the way. He had a $4,000 day. He had a $16,000 day, and many, many, many other commissions. Again, we've lost count. We completely lost count of how many commissions Jeff has already made with this system. The system where I do the work and you get to keep all the commissions. And if you're interested in getting started, all you want to do is just click the link that's just below this video, and it's going to take you again to that webinar page. I want you to watch it. It's going to explain exactly how this works, how to get set up, and how to start kickstarting your system so you can start receiving as many visitors as you want. Let's keep going here, because I have quite a few more to show you. Here's another one from a member by the name of Party. Just shared his first post 14 hours ago. Check this out, 14 hours ago. He said, wow, I just woke up and saw this. $500, as you can see right there. 500 bucks. Let's keep going. This is actually one video that I've made in the group where I gave everyone like a little cool trick to increase sales and stuff, and people have been already using it, which is kind of cool. Here's another member by the name of Alex, and he posted 18 hours ago, $500 sneaked in while having dinner. So let me paint a picture for you here. He is with his family. They're having dinner, creating moments, talking about their day, enjoying quality time. And then on his phone, a payment pops. This payment right here. And it says, hey, you just got a $500 commission. Now, how much of that $500 do you think he gets to keep after David takes his fees and all of that? I'll tell you how much. He gets to keep the whole thing, because this program, the different income streams, the first one gives you 100% commissions. 100% of those go to you. 100%. Even after I do the work on your behalf and all of that. So if you're interested in getting started, all you got to do is just click the link that's just below the video, and you're going to see exactly how this works. Let's keep going because I have so many more to show you. And I also want to show you one other thing that's kind of really important, and it's a special bonus that I want to hook you up with. And you'll see exactly what I mean in just a minute. Here's another member by the name of Cecil. He posted 18 hours ago. I woke up from a nap and I saw this. Thanks, Dave. And there it is, a $250 payment. Again, if this continues, and he had, again, bigger days than this, but let's say that it continues just on the same path that it's at right now. That is a $7,500 per month business. $7,500 every single month. Anyways, let's keep going because I have so many more to show you. Here's another member by the name of Ontarian. 20 hours ago, he posted, hey, thanks for the payment, David Eagle. And check this out. He got a $2,446.35 in one payment. One payment. Okay, this is not even like a all-day thing. You might have gotten more stuff during the day. So there you go. So what I want to do now is I want to actually switch gears a little bit, and I want to show you something really cool. Check this out. I've actually prepared this. Before I even get there, let me just give you kind of a glimpse of what is that I'm going to be talking about. Imagine if you could get traffic from the best traffic source that's ever been available. And I'm talking specifically about for my entire career, I've tried a whole bunch of traffic sources. I've mainly stuck to one, which is email marketing, but I found one other one that above everything I've ever tried, it has been working the best out of all of them. What I'm specifically talking about is YouTube videos. And when I say YouTube videos, what I mean is shooting a video and uploading it to YouTube. And then when people get to watch it, some people might get interested and they click on the link inside the video. That has been, from everything that I've ever tried, has produced the best and most qualified type of leads. Now, I realize that you're watching this right now and you're thinking, okay, David, I understand why that could be, the case, but what if I don't want to be on video? How can I still benefit from that? I'll tell you how. Let me show you. Imagine, first of all, if I could hook you up without you having to lift a finger, if I could hook you up with traffic from inside of my own YouTube videos. And when I say that, let me show you what I mean. Let me actually just open this over here. I've already prepared some searches for us. So check this out. If you go to Easy One Up and if you go to YouTube and you do a search for Easy One Up review, I'm number 1 and number 2. Let's keep going. Here's another one. If you do a search for Easy One Up review 2020, and these are highly searched keywords, people are actually searching for these things. Here's I'm number 1, I'm number 2, and probably a whole bunch more below, but that doesn't matter because I'm number 1 and number 2. Here's another one for Profits Passport review. Another search keyword, I'm actually number 1 right there, and also that's number 5, I guess. Let's do another one. Easy One Up sign up, number 1 and number 3. Easy One Up presentation, number 1 and probably a whole bunch below. Easy One Up login, I'm number 1 and number 3. Easy One Up testimonials, number 1. Easy One Up products, number 1. Easiest way to earn money online. I am number 1 for that keyword. Yes, there are some ads on top, and ads will always show higher. But as far as the search results, number 1 right there. This is a video that I've uploaded a month ago, and it's already number 1. So here's another one. ClickBank for beginners. Very highly searched term. And literally just 22 hours ago, I've uploaded this video and I'm already number 5. And it's still climbing. So imagine if you could get traffic from my videos. Like you don't need to lift a finger to record any videos yourself. I record the video, I come up with the content, I shoot the video, I edit it, I produce it, and I upload it to my channel, which has approaching almost 20,000 subscribers at this point. And then when people watch the videos, some people get interested in the topic and then they click on the link that's inside the description. So what I'm going to do in this limited time promotion, and again, you might be watching this and hopefully it's still available. The way you find out is you click the link that's just below the video, and then it's going to take you to the page where the webinar is on. It's going to tell you if this promotion is still on or not. If it's on, then great. If it's off, then I'm sorry, this is not available anymore. But if it's still on, here's how you qualify for it. Number 1 is, I'm going to take your affiliate link, I'm going to place it inside my videos, and not only to the future videos that I make about this system, but also to all the previous videos that I've ever made. I'm also going to include your link on rotation in those videos. So you're already getting traffic from these videos that you've seen here and the future videos that I will upload about this system. Now for the criteria, here's how you qualify for this. It's really simple. First thing I want you to do is click the link that's just below the video. It's going to take you to the webinar page and you're going to see exactly how does this work. If this is for you, there is multiple income streams in the system that you need to set up. And again, the setup process takes like 10 minutes to do. It's not a complicated process. It's very easy. Now, what you're going to want to do to qualify for this bonus, if this promotion is still on, if it's expired already, if the link says expired or you don't see anything, then I'm sorry, this is off the table. But if it's still on, you want to set up the first income stream to the highest level possible, which is a 2K level. Now, the reason I say the 2K level, the $2,000 level, is for a few reasons, actually. Number 1 is it's the highest level and you're not going to be missing out on any commissions. And that's kind of important because if I'm already doing the work, I'm sending you traffic from my videos, and you're also getting traffic the way I'm going to show you in the system, and your link is kind of receiving traffic, and I'm doing the work in the back end, sending emails and all that. What's the purpose of doing all of that if you're not even qualified to get all the commissions? Like, it doesn't make any sense. You want to be positioned to be able to receive those big commissions. And by the way, that's 100% income stream. So all the income goes to you. Whatever commissions come in from that, from the visitors that came through your link, that all goes to you. So the second reason is because it's going to qualify you for this bonus and 2 other bonuses also that are $3,500 in value. $3,500. And I'm not going to go over those bonuses in this video. That's why I want you to click on the link that's just below. Go check out the webinar because it explains exactly how this works. And truly, if you're watching this and you can't follow that one little clear instruction of click the link below and go watch the webinar, I can tell you that the system is not for you. So please don't message me and say, how do I get started? I'm telling you right now, how do you get started? You take your mouse, you scroll down, and you click the link that's below the video. If you can do that, great, I can help you. If you can't do that, the system is not for you. I can't help you, period. But if you can follow simple, clear instructions, and I can get you to just watch that webinar from beginning till the end, if you're excited about all the testimonials that you've seen, that's all what those people that before you that were in the system, they did first. They first went to see the webinar. Go watch it, because it's going to explain probably going to resolve all your questions. And if you still have questions after that, then here's the next part that I want to tell you about. The next part I want to tell you about is I want to connect with you live if you have questions. And by that, I mean this. I do live streams to be able to answer questions for my members, meaning that you might be watching this right now and you're like super excited and you're like, okay, this sounds amazing, this looks amazing, and I want to get started, but I still have a question about this or that or whatever. So first thing you want to do is go watch the webinar, because most likely that's going to resolve all your questions and it's going to answer all of them. And then you want to make sure to claim that bonus of being added to my YouTube rotator and also the other $3,500 in bonuses before the promotion expires. If it did expire already, then I'm sorry. You can still join, but the bonuses are off the table. So if you still have questions, what I want you to do is simply below this video, there's going to be a button for you if you're watching this on YouTube to subscribe and also hit the notification bell. What's going to happen is when you're subscribed, I can invite you to those live streams so you can come hang out with me live. And the last one I did was almost 3 hours long, because I wanted to make sure that every single question that came in gets answered. So if you got a question, you need something figured out, you're not sure about something, you want to ask me a question directly, that is how we can connect. I do those live streams periodically. I usually do them on my treadmill. So I want you to come hang out on the live stream, but to be able to invite you, I need you to be subscribed to the channel because the notifications go out from YouTube. So make sure to do that. So with that being said, you're getting hooked up with a really sweet bonus, so you don't have to personally shoot videos and stuff. Unless you want to, then you can definitely do that. If you want some extra traffic from YouTube, you can do some YouTube videos yourself. But meanwhile, I'm hooking you up with some of my traffic. I'm also going to show you how to get as much traffic as you want from the webinar that you're going to watch. It's going to explain exactly how to do that. And that's basically it. So go ahead, click the link that's just below this video. And I really look forward to seeing you inside the system and also giving you a big welcome inside the Facebook group. So this way I can start rolling up my sleeves and getting to work on your behalf so you can keep whatever commissions come in. All right, so that's it for this video. I'll see you on the next one. Go ahead, click the link that's just below the video, and I'll see you inside the system and on the next video. We'll talk soon. Bye for now.